Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a lot of you have mentioned, and I also am one of those, it's fun to have certain widgets or certain information on the lock screen of the PC, for example. I do enjoy that. But the problem is Microsoft has decided to put these widgets or cards, that they call them, on this lock screen. And the problem with these cards is that you can't customize any cards. It's like you have what you have. You can't remove some. You can't choose the ones you want. It's just a bunch of cards and that's it, which is not what you want. Now, Microsoft has kind of understood that we want to choose what's on our lock screens. And there will be a change coming, maybe with 25H2. Once again, no timeline on anything. And it's the fact that now, on the lock screen, show the lock screen background picture and sign in. Your widgets, you can turn them on or off, but the widgets, look at that. Here's weather and add widget. You'll be able to just choose what you want to see, not by default have everything that Microsoft shoves in your face. So this is a great idea. It's something that we were waiting for because honestly, half of what's on the screen, I don't care. At least I want the weather, things like that. If I can choose, for example, give you the weather, maybe give me something like a notification of something or email or whatever. But at least let me choose what's going to be on my lock screen. And this is what's coming. So this is soon to be on a PC. How soon? It's apparently going to be tested soon on the different insider rings. So either in a few weeks, months, or at least maybe with 25H2 coming this fall, we'll finally be able to do a very simple task. Choose what widget we want to have on the lock screen. And this is great. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.